Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free British Indian restaurant style korma from scratch. For this recipe you will need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a small very finely grated onion, around 50 grams, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste mixed with 3 teaspoons of water, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of sugar, 4 tablespoons, that's 60 milliliters of coconut powder, 300 milliliters of boiling hot water, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of ground almonds, 80 to 100 milliliters of single cream, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu. Heat the pan on medium-low and add the oil. Gently fry the grated onions until they soften. Don't rush this part, it will take around 5 minutes. You're looking for very soft, mushy onions, not burnt, dry, crispy ones. Add the salt, coriander, cumin, turmeric and tomato paste and mix. Add a drop more water if the paste is too thick and allow to fry for a minute. Now add the sugar and coconut powder and stir well for 60 seconds to incorporate. Pour in half of the hot water and stir in well. Any lumps will disappear by themselves if you're using coconut milk powder. Sprinkle on the ground almonds, stir in, then add the remaining hot water before combining well. Dip in the cream and allow to heat through before stirring to incorporate. Add in your choice of protein. Cover to prevent it drying out and simmer gently to reduce. Stir every couple of minutes by scraping the sides and mixing in. This will help to develop more flavours as the sauce cooks and caramelizes. Serve when the sauce reaches your desired consistency and when the meat is cooked through, if you used raw meat. If when you check the meat is not cooked yet, it's fine to add more hot water at any time. Simply add 50 milliliters at a time and continue simmering. The longer you simmer, the thicker the korma sauce will become. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.